Act like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, how the narcissist handles you abandoning their raggedy ass. You already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. You either get the professional crash out or a motherfucker that discards or reverse discards their way out of accountability. You either get the cheater whose new supply already been prepped and primed as your replacement, or a dose of reality into what it looks and feels like to have a professional fraud and monster try to make your life as miserable as possible. You know, because when they start losing control of you, can't manipulate you like they once did, start losing access they got so accustomed to, now the desperation shows. Now they won't sign those divorce papers anymore. Now they delay you picking up your shit from their house. Now they intentionally leave things at your house and then accuse you of holding the shit hostage. Now they want to play victim to your friend, family, manipulate your children into thinking you caused all of this shit, when the truth actually is you fought hard to protect their fucking image. The secrets you know, the things you backed them up on when no one else would, the complaining you had to listen to when they blamed the whole fucking world for their problems, is some shit that should be studied. Because since when did you become a superhero, having to protect everybody else, mainly their raggedy ass, and not have time and patience for yourself? That entire manipulation ship, you weren't being nurtured or nourished with the right nutrients that should have been supporting you, should have been protecting you and keeping you safe from the very chaos they were intentionally causing every fucking day. And I want you to consider what it took to get you to this point, where you now know there is no other choice but to run your ass away. Abandon the person that you love, because you now know how fucking dangerous it is to be with someone so self-centered, careless, and reckless with your heart. And the truth actually is, he abandoned you emotionally and physically long before you actually decided to leave. Think about all of the planning that went into this shit. All of the extra months or years that it took you to get to this level of acceptance, that there was nothing, and I mean this shit literally, nothing you could or could have ever given them that would have ever changed this outcome. It was always going to end messy. You were always going to be upholding values and principles that only you abided by. And that was never fair to you, right? Because love, like real, meaningful, and long-lasting love, is about reciprocity. It's about empathy, communication, transparency, but most importantly, consideration. And they never fucking considered you through anything. Not through their actions. Betrayal they pulled is unconscionable, unforgivable, and flat out disrespectful as fuck. You never deserved what they put you through. And thus, you took every ounce of courage you could ever muster to get out of an environment that was quite literally making you sick. Don't believe me? Ask your nervous system, your anxiety, your unexplained health issues, your lack of motivation, the anger, resentment, frustration, dealing with this emotional vampire every fucking day. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.